Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will talk about PHP required. Why and when should we use it? So let's say here you can see I have a file required.php. So I will say here, and inside the body I want to create form. Inside form I need input, so I will say input. Let's name it name, and I need another input, let's say, and type should be password. Let's say password, and name will be pass. And I need another input for the submit button. I will say submit, and name also submit, and value also submit. Okay, if I go to the browser and if I go to my project, here you can see we have a file here, PHP file required.php. Here you can see I have a text field and a password field and submit button. So let's say the action will be the same page, that is required.php. Okay, so if somebody click on submit, then it will redirect to the page, right? And let's say I want to store the value from this field. So I will set here an if condition, that is like is set function, and where I will use this parameter like $_ post, and then the file, I mean submit button name is submit. So I will copy it and paste it here. It means when somebody actually click on submit, so our function will check that if submit is clicked or not. If submit button clicked, then it will enter this clause. And let's say we want to store variable here, so I will say val1 equal to $_ post, because our method is post. Here you can see method post, so I will say here post, and then we have to just mention the field name. That is, for the first field we have name here. Here you can see name, and for the password we will say val2 equal to $_ post. Then we have the next field name pass, so we'll say pass. And now let's say I want to echo variable $1 $val1, and I want to add br here and another variable, that is $val2. Okay, so I want to paste this value, right? Okay, so now let's say if I refresh, now let's say I want to say here yamin and password is 123. If I submit, then you can see name is yamin and password is 123. But if I click on submit, then you can see it taking null value also, right? So let's say we want validation. Okay, we want to say that nobody actually can click on submit button without giving data. So what do we have to do? That time actually we have to use required. So where actually you have to use required, in this input field you just have to say required, required, required. Okay, this is a normal form validation. If I refresh, you can see when I submit, it says please fill out this field. Now actually anyone cannot give null value here. So for this kind of validation you can use required here. So we give here password, right? If I submit, now actually our password and name is showing here. So we have to give value first, right? That's why actually we have to use required here. So this is a very basic form handling, but in our next video we will talk more about form handling and form validation. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.